Here now, the moment opens like gold in the sky. Breathe it in. This is the beginning. Searching through the echoes of a world that used to be, chasing distant horizons for what was always meant to be free. But the silence starts to answer in the rhythm of our hearts. Every ending was a doorway to a brand new kind of start. Feel the light return again through the cracks we used to hide. The past is just a river that brought us to this time. Golden era, here and now, rising like the sun somehow. Every breath, a sacred flame, nothing will ever be the same. Tomorrow, no more running from today. Every step becomes a blessing as the fear begins to fade. We are builders of the sunrise, we are voices in the wind. Every soul that finds its purpose is where the future begins. Feel the rhythm of existence. Every heartbeat finds its place. The universe is singing through the language of our grace. Golden era, here and now, rising like the sun somehow. Every breath, a sacred flame, nothing will ever be the same. Is already here. Time is folding, hearts alive.